Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Ollo card account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Ollo account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in ollocard.com, just like this, and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for Ollo card login like this and hit enter, and you can see the sign in to the Ollo card directly available over here. Click on there. Whereas on the first tab, we are on the home page of Ollo card, and this is the sign in page of Ollo card itself. You can also log into your Ollo card from over here. To log into your Ollo card, you'll be required to enter your username over here, and with that your password over here, and then click on sign in to log into your Ollo account. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, simply click on forgot your username or password to go through a procedure to reset it. Or if you want to register an account on Ollo card, simply click on enroll here. Then you'll be taken to a procedure where you can register an account on Ollo. And there guys, this is how you log into your Ollo card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.